This video tutorial will provide you with help to remove malicious pop-ups by the site News-jajihi.cc. News-jajihi.cc is a really dangerous website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. But if you mistakenly do that and click on Allow button, the browser may be hijacked and contaminated with plenty of really intrusive advertisements. These ads may also be really filthy and not suitable for certain categories of people. So, if you see those pop-ups, don't click on Allow button. And if you have mistakenly done that, access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then go down to Site Settings and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Remove the junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.